I wanted a headset for my work travel and was looking for compact size but good sound quality. I found these LUDOS Omnitone earbud with microphone and was pleasantly surprised by the sound's quality. They are tiny and come with a nice travel pouch. I purchased two, one for me and one for my wife, but each package had two in it, so we have extras. Very good deal and they work quite well. Earbuds are tough, they need to fit your ears properly. I've tried a few pairs and, although they might be great, they just didn't fit in my ears properly. These fit me perfectly. They full cover the ear canal, which blocks out external noise for me. They also fit tight enough that the sounds don't leak out. I listen to 80 metal primarily, and the bass response on these is amazing. I also listen to Tom Petty, Stevie Nicks, Stage Dolls. They also are great for softer music styles. They are very clear with great definition. I'm also impressed with the thickness of the cable used. It isn't too thick, but is substantial enough that you aren't worried about the cable breaking. The earbuds themselves are robust, but not overly large. Everything seems very well constructed. For my listening, these are among the best earbuds I have tried. Amazing sound quality, great fit, and quality materials used. Don't expect the quality of $200 headset, but it's great. The sound is perfect, the mic is good enough where people don't complain and only mention it like once. What I will say is the personalized little note and all the extra details make it seem like it would have costed $30 on Etsy. It's great, affordable, and thoughtful. Will purchase from here if I ever need earbuds again. Sturdy and good quality sound for normal use, games, and Zoom. The only gripe is the rubber earpiece is slightly hard and takes a little getting used to when you are coming from more refined earpieces. Great packaging, ease of use and quality for the price. These earbuds replaced my Bluetooth earbuds. They sound better, clean sound, they are louder, they are more comfortable in the ear because of the shape of the driver, they are light yet rugged with a thick cable. The sack it comes with is very useful when you are on the go, very functional. Another advantage these wired earbuds have over my Bluetooth earbuds is that it doesn't drain my phone's battery and the buds don't need to be charged. Quality product. I am a small content creator on YouTube and I bought these to use on my Xbox and they were amazing. They were made well and packaged even better. They are very soft in the ear and have different size tips. The sound is amazing and can be used to play any sort of games and you will hear everything. These earbuds should have a higher cost for the product they give you. Me and my friends now all have these same earbuds because the mic is fantastic. They are just plug in and listen. No setup required. They are able to have a high workload and still have a smooth sound. Well, anytime I get cheap wired earbuds, I am apprehensive about it. But boy did these blow me away. Glad I bought two of them. I put on Bette Davis Eyes by the great Kim Carnes and was amazed at the sound level, nice and loud, and clarity. No tinniness, no crackling, no echoes, or any other issues except great quality sound. Amazing that the tech has gotten this good over the years. I buy these a lot because A, my dog likes to chew on them, and B, I watch movies at night in bed on my laptop, and to keep my partner from hearing my movies or programs, I put on the earbuds. A lot of times they get ruined from getting tangled or ripped out or whatever, so I buy these often. But I think at less than $6 these are by far the best bang for the buck I have ever gotten. I use wired earbuds to listen to music when I fall asleep, as the Bluetooth ones tend to fall out of my ears. The sound is fine on these, but they're too big for me, even after changing out the silicone ear covers to the smallest ones. Also, they stick out too much, that is, not where the silicone covers are, but the rest of the earbud. When I'm laying on my side, it's uncomfortable and the sound stops. This didn't happen with my last earbuds. Good value for the price. Good quality. Surprised you get an additional headset and buds. Great bass, no tin-like sounds, clear. Nice touch with the THXU note from the company. Happy with purchase. Note it does not HV volume control. You press the rectangle button and it stops or starts music. You need an adapter if you have an iPhone. Siempre me compraba los mismos y estaba vez intent buscar otros. Me anime con estos y estoy contenta. Lo primero llegaron rápido, en su caja y que fue mi sorpresa que venían dos, uno de regalo. Tener uno de repuesto siempre es genial. El que no voy a usar lo guard en una bolsita que incluyen que los de ya protegidos. En cuanto al sonido no soy una experta pero lo escucho todo muy perfecto, incluso noto los bajos mucho más. Aclaración de que no suelo subir mucho el volumen. No sé cuánto durarán porque soy puede ser cosas de mesas pero por el precio que lo recomiendo. Allora siamo onesti, mi serviva una cuffia con filo XIL PCE smartphone, ho trovato quest de LUDOS che su Amazon e leggendo le recensioni mi sono detto che per poco meno di €11 si può provare, risultato, appena 24 ore dopo arriva l'oggetto che testo con successo, molto buona la risa, bene I bassi gli alti anche volume elevato. Il filo poi non si attorsaglia assolutamente evitando spiacevoli inconvenienti e nella confezione sono presenti I camini auditabili alle diverse conformazioni. Dell'orecchio ma la sorpresa davvero singolare che sempre nella confezione, accompagnato da un simpatico bigliettino, e presenta un secondo paio di auricolari extra, si avete capito bene. Tu pia al prezzo di one e per di più di buona qualità con accessori vari. A questo punto, secondo chi leg, LUDOS merita o no le 5 stelle? Die Horror brauch ich für das Handy und manchmal Tablet. Hier erster Eindruck die machen qualitativ guten Eindruck und werden dank verschieden großer Silikonpolster passen und nicht drucken. Der Klang ist gut, kraftig Bass für manchen Eftel. Zielviel, mitten sind de und hohen klar. Winkelstecker ist vorteilhaft und praktisch. Kleins Aufbewahrungsaktion ist dabei, gut de von Fenbar Prakti Kern. Had ich mir für die Vorherigen Horror damals beschafft, ist nützlich für unterwegs. 5 Jahr Garantie sind Versprochen, sehr gut, hoffentlich braucht man das nicht testen überhaupt barket kann man noch nix sagen. Und ein zweites in der Packung. Geschenko der Ersatz, wird einem Thiel nicht viel zugetraut? Winky Face was looking for a simple pair of in-ear headphones at an affordable price that didn't compromise on the sound or mic quality, for listening to music and work calls, and these do just that. They look great, have a great hand feel well built, and come with a nice bag and tin, more than you get from all of the mass-produced headphone manufacturers. I also really appreciated the handwritten note. It's nice to know you're supporting a family-run business. Thanks for the great product.